everyone, how are you? It's Marisa Khan. Welcome back, and I'm back with another video. And in a day, I am making this video second time. Not the same video, but it's a different video that I'm just making the made it the video. Just 1 second left, and now I have started my second video. So I was like that today I have to make a great video because I am posting this video after a very long time. That's why I just said that आज मैंने दो वीडियोस पोस्ट करनी है एंड बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन आप लोगों को देनी है एंड आई होप आप लोग मेरी इन्फॉर्मेशन को लेकर आप लोग अपनी डेली लाइफ में ज़रूर यूज़ करते होंगे एंड आप लोगों को बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन गेट करने को मिलती है एंड आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है इट इज़ टू ग्रेट एंड इट इज़ फनी idioms. आज हम लोग फनी idioms के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं ब्रिटिश फनी idioms, okay? So English is sometimes quite ridiculous. I know you will agree with me that. So I have compiled 15 of the funniest idioms. There are some idioms which have funny meanings, are just a bit strange or trickle me in some way. If something trickles you, it makes you laugh. So in this way, we will use some idioms to make people laugh and also to make you laugh or to make yourself happy. So our first one is a storm in a teacup. A storm in a teacup. And interestingly, in American English, they say it in a slightly different way. They say a tempest in a teapot, and so it's still tea related. And now I'm going to tell you the meaning. So I'm going to tell you the meaning, and the meaning is too great. So it's like a lot of unnecessary anger and worry about a matter that is not important means totally unnecessary, means something which is not important and you are trying to make it big and it's unnecessary for everyone. So now I'm going to give you an example, and after getting the example you will clear your mind. So it's like she made an official complaint to the CEO about the type of cheese in the cheese sandwiches at the canteen. This seems to me to be a storm in a teacup, that this complaint was not important to give to the CEO. एंड आप लोगों को भी ये समझ आ रही होगी यार ये छोटी सी कंप्लेंट थी, क्या देनी और क्या इसमें इतनी बड़ी बात थी. So this is called a storm in a teacup. So our second one is it's too great. Bob's your uncle. Bob's your uncle. Bob's your uncle. It's too great to me, and it's too lovely, you know. And its meaning is also too great, and it means, and there is it, or and there you have it, means something you want to get or something you have got it, or any result after a big effort or anything, the result or anything which has came. So this is called Bob's your uncle. That British not say that wow, here you have it or here it is, sometimes not. So they will say Bob's your uncle. Bob's your uncle, like, and there it is, or there you have it, means something which you have achieved. So this is called Bob's your uncle. And now I'm going to give you example. So I'm going to give you an example, and the example is too great because you use it in your daily life, and something which you use in your daily life, so it's so easy to clear your mind. So the example is to make a cup of mint tea and boil a kettle, add a tea bag, and wait for 2 minutes, and Bob's your uncle that have your result that your tea is ready. So this is the use of Bob's your uncle, okay? So let's move on to the third one idiom, and our third one idiom is also too amazing, and it is as dead as a doornail. As dead as a doornail. As dead as a doornail. It means that very dead, very dead. It's very dead, you know, like something which is very dead and you want to bring it again, but you can't because it's too dead. Means you can't get it again. That sometimes we go to the hospital and we recover back, but something which is totally dead, dad as a doornail. So this is called as dad as a doornail. And the example is, I tried to save the mouse that my cat brought it, but it was as dead as a doornail. Like it was totally dead. So let's move on to the fourth one. So our fourth one is also too great. It's a little bit same like the third one, and it is to kick the bucket. Sorry, to kick the bucket. Now it's not something to kick the bucket, but its meaning is too great, and it's same like the third one, and the meaning is it means to die. Not very very die. It's to die. It means to die. That to kick the bucket. For example, unfortunately, our favorite neighbor kicked the bucket 3 years ago, but we still feel her presence in the neighborhood. So it's like to kick the bucket. Now, maybe you're clear, but I'm playing your mind again. That to kick the bucket, that she has died. अब मैं आपको जो मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया है, अब मैं आपको उसको रिपीट करके उर्दू में बताती हूँ. दैट हमारी एक जो अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारी जो नेबर थी वो उन्होंने किक कर दी बकेट. मीन्स दैट शी इज़ डाइड. वो मतलब अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो डाई हो गई. सो 3 years ago. दैट्स वाई अभी भी हम उनकी जो प्रेजेंस है वो अभी तक हम अपने नेबरहुड में फील करते हैं. Okay, so this is the meaning or the example of kick the bucket. So our fifth one is too amazing. It's like what should I say, and it is also the last one and the best one. And the fifth one is everything but the kitchen sink. Everything but the kitchen sink. Oh my god is not included, but I'll just say everything but the kitchen sink. It's not like in Urdu that सिर्फ kitchen sink मतलब everything, लेकिन जो kitchen sink की बात है वो तो अलग है, but इसका meaning ये नहीं है. It meaning is it's to change, and this means that everything imaginable. That everything imaginable, that from which you get information, and मतलब imaginable है यार कि बस मैं क्या बोलूँ आपको. That what should I say, that it's too imaginable and everything imaginable. So I'm going to tell you the example that will pack slightly for travel, but I throw everything but the kitchen sink into my suitcase. Means that मैंने अपने सूटकेस में हर चीज़ imaginable डाली है. that not any other thing extra. मतलब हम लोगों को अपनी हर चीज़ मैंने आपको जो स्टार्टिंग से बता रही हूँ मैं आपको, that will pack lightly for travel. मतलब मैंने अपनी हर चीज़ को मतलब लाइट पैक करना है ट्रैवल के लिए. but I throw everything but the kitchen sink in my suitcase. Means but मैंने हर चीज़ थ्रो की, लेकिन मतलब इमेजिनेबल की, मतलब जो लाइट वेट भी थी, but it was too great. So this was my video, and I hope you have liked this, because मुझे इस मतलब मेरे प्रीवियस वीडियो से इस वीडियो को मैंने ज़्यादा इंजॉय किया, मतलब जो आज मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियो. सो भाई मुझे तो ये वाला लेसन बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अमेजिंग लगा, एंड आई होप आप लोगों ने भी इस लेसन को एंजॉय किया होगा. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग मी योर प्रीशियस टाइम अगैन. सो बाय बाय.